Comidere comes from the Italian word pomodoro, and the origin of this word is double. Version number 1, pomo d'oro, apple of gold. That's because the tomato is not indigenous of Europe. The first version that was imported was the yellow one. Version number 2, pomo d'amore, apple of love. And the reason is that after the European discovered America, they imported the tomato, and they were believed to have aphrodisiac properties. So in France, they called it pomme d'amour. In England, love apple. And in Italian, pomo d'amore. But the Italian influence didn't just affect our words, but also our recipes. If you notice, one of the main differences between the shiro recipe in Eritrea and in Ethiopia is the addition of tomato in the Eritrean one.